Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can integrate mailchimp to a WordPress website. So I'm currently logged into this website. You can see this is the domain name, and first off we're going to install a plugin via the WordPress repo. So you go over to your plugins tab and click on add new over here. Then we're going to search for mailchimp over here. So I'm just going to type in mailchimp. So there's a plugin for this, and it's this first one over here, mailchimp for WordPress. So I'm going to install this to my server. Okay, and this takes a while. So I'm going to guide you how you can integrate your mailchimp for WordPress plugin with mailchimp, so we can actually use mailchimp on any post or any page or on a widget to collect leads on your website. So this is the plugin over here. So I'm going to click on mailchimp itself, and it's going to give you this settings page. So the only requirement we need to connect to our mailchimp account is an API key, and you can easily get this API key by clicking on this button over here. So just click on get my API key, open this in a new tab, or you could go over to your mailchimp account after you've logged in and go to your accounts page over here. And I'm just showing you how to get to this page without this link over here. So once you're at your account page, go to extras and you click on API keys, and it takes you exactly to this page. So it's exactly the same thing, but it's very easy to just use this link over here. So we're going to be generating an API key for connection. It's very easy. I already have one generated, but I'm going to create another one for this tutorial. So you click on create a key over here, and it's going to take you to a short wizard, and that's all. So this is the API key I just created, and I can label this as profits by pixels because that's the name of my domain, and I'm going to copy this API key. So this is the API key we're going to be using. Just copy it here and make sure this is checked. So if this is off, you can't use this, and it's always good to leave this on. So if I turn this off, for example, then that API key cannot be used anymore. So I'm going to paste in the API key that I got from here, and I'll click on save changes over here, and let's see. All right. As you can see, this one is cancelled now because I disabled it here. And as you can see here, we have this connected status. So if I go down, you're going to see a list. So this is a list I have on my mailchimp account, make rants, and I have 11 subscribers. So you get access to the total number of subscribers and a few other things. So I'm going to click on this, and you're going to see what I collect with this. So over here you see I can collect emails, address, first name, last name, and phone number. Okay, so let's go back to my account here. I'm going to show you something quickly. So we're going to go over to our audience. We'll click on audience dashboard, and as you can see, this is the make rants that we have on our website over here. And I just want to show how you can edit this merge fields, because these merge fields are the fields that are available for you to collect on your embed page on your website. So you can collect email, address, first name, last name, and phone number of anyone. So I'm going to show how you can add to this or remove some things from here. So you go over to audience and go to manage audience, and you click on settings. So then scroll down and click on audience field and merge tags. So just click on this, and you'll be able to adjust anything that is here. So I'm going to get rid of this last name. So to get rid of a merge field, just click on this, and you're going to be able to remove this by typing delete. So I'm going to type delete and delete this. Okay, then merge field deleted. So if you go back here and click on renew mail list, mailchimp stuff, and you click on this list again, you're going to see we don't have any last name here anymore. So you can actually add as many fields as you like, and it's very easy. You do that from your merge field settings. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is create a form. So I'm going to click on form over here, and I'm going to type a form here. So I'll name this profits by pixel. Okay, and I'm going to add this to my migrants list or audience on MailChimp. So click on add form and wait for a while, and it's going to give you this layout for editing stuff. So as you can see right now, we can only collect emails, but if you remember in merge fields, we have about, let's see, 1 2 3 4, about 4 different merge fields, like different things you can collect. So you have access to everything that you can collect over here. So I'm going to add a first name at the top of this. The format it exists is you have p tags, then you have a label, then inside the label you have an input tag. So you don't really need to concern yourself about this code, because it's not really essential for you to understand it completely to be able to make forms. So if you want to add a first name here, just click on the place you want to add it. So if you want to add it before email, just give space and make sure your cursor is at the top, and you click on first name. And it's going to ask you some questions. What do you want to be the field label? Do you want a placeholder? I don't really want this. Is this required? Okay, I want my first name to be required, so I'm going to click on this and just leave every other thing as it is. Click on add to form, and as you can see, it's going to generate the code for you automatically. And now we have where we can add our first name and email. Okay, you can do that for other things like street address or city, but just make sure whatever you're adding here is also part of your merge field here, else it's not gonna be able to collect this, because your merge field only takes things that are added here. So if you're adding something like a zip and you don't have a zip merge field here, it's not going to record that for you. So this is the preview of the form, and that's basically it. I'm just going to click on save changes. Okay, so it's a simple form, lead collection form, just first name and email. Then it's going to give you this short code over here. So this is easy to use short code. You can paste this on any page or on any post, and it's going to generate this form for you. So let's go ahead and do that quickly, and so you see how it works live. So I'm going to create a new page, and I'm just going to type in test here, and I'll paste this in. Okay, so I'm going to preview this so you would see how it would look like on the live website. Okay, so as you can see, this is the form that we created using MailChimp. So whenever someone types in anything here and an email address and clicks on sign up, it's going to take that email and it's going to send it to MailChimp. So let's go back and see if that worked. We had about 10 subscribers before, I think. You can also check from here. Okay, let's see our list of subscribers. 11 contacts. So I just want to check if that's working properly. Okay, I have two-step authentication activated, so if I don't check my mailbox to confirm, I'm not going to be added to the list. So I'm going to pause the video and do that. All right, so this is the confirmation. I made an extra setting for my list, so whenever someone subscribes via the embed form or anything, he has to receive an email to confirm his subscription. So that's just a personal choice. You don't really have to do that always. So I'm going to click on yes, subscribing to the list, and then we're going to check if the integration worked for the WordPress website. All right, so the subscription has been confirmed, and we're going to go back and check now for our subscriber count over here. So just click on renew MailChimp lists, and Let's see if that worked. All right, you can see we now have 12 subscribers. So this actually works. It's very easy. And one other thing, you can actually add this to any part of your website. You can add it to sidebars, you can add it to pages, to posts, or to your homepage, wherever you like, and it's gonna work perfectly. So that's just the basics of integrating the MailChimp API to your WordPress website. So once you've done this, a lot of plugins, they also need this kind of integration. They're always going to ask for your API key, and it's very easy. You just need to copy your API key and paste in, and everything is just going to be connected. So I hope you found this video useful. Please, if you did, subscribe to the channel for more of this kind of content, and you can like the video. If you have any questions concerning what I just explained in this video, you can ask via the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one.